Joy swells in the air. A massive figure leaps, splashing playfully. Roars of laughter echo. They are kings of their world, carefree and blissful. The laughter falters. A tremor rolls through the earth, disrupting their joy. Something is amiss. Instinct shifts and unease settles in. Chaos erupts. A colossal leader, gentle yet frantic, breaks through the brush. Panic reigns. They crash, desperate to escape an unseen threat. In the mayhem, a secret is unveiled. Rare treasures lie exposed. The moment hangs heavy, life at stake. Time slips like sand through claws. Resolve ignites. One knows he must act. A protector's heart beats fiercely. Before him, life must be saved. A flicker of thought sparks. Strategy is born from chaos. Rapid and ready, a scheme unfurls to baffle their foes. An unseen predator watches, hunger beneath the facade of calm. Timing is everything. Danger lurks, hungry for opportunity. Unity emerges amid the storm. Two fierce spirits intertwine, strength and solidarity. Courage blossoms before the approaching threat. Battle ignites, boots strike, jaws snap. All around the frenzy crescendos. Hearts race, life hinges on instinct. The dust settles. Triumph swells in their chests. Together they stand, defenders of the future. A vigilant guard against the dark. Shadows merge as dusk envelops them. In stillness, commitment deepens. They guard life, a promise forged in unity and trust. As stars emerge, a quiet vow hums in the air. Their world is fragile, but together they are fierce. Vigilance is now their creed.